Hey guys, what's up? Yep, welcome back to yet another episode of my mining wig, and today I'm going to show you how you are going to clean your graphics card without damaging it. It's a little bit tricky and this is the first time, so I'm so much excited about this. And why I'm going to clean it, because if you look at this graphics card you will find a lot of dust all over the graphics card, and this is giving a lots of sounds. I find a little bit different noise sounds from the previous days, so that's why I decided to clean this graphics card and make it smoother once again. Although I'm not finding any kind of trouble, right now it's working fine and mining over the night shares perfectly. If we are going to look at this screen, we will find out it's currently working fine and giving me 1.39 to 1.40 USD per day, so it's quite bit good. But still I'm finding a lot of dust all over my graphics card, not only on graphics card and the SMPS as well. And if you're going to look down the CPU, you will also find that CPU is full of dust. So it's quite interesting for me, because I'm going to first time clean all this graphics card. And what you need and how you will clean this, I will let you know, and I will put all the things that how you are going to clean this graphics card without damaging it. So let's go ahead and start. Alright friends, I just put my all graphics card down, and if you're going to closely look at this graphics card, you will find that how dusty this graphics card is. So this is very dusty, and since this system is running since long, that's why this graphics card prone to the dust. And you will find all the dust particle on the front as well. And so what exactly this will do, this will not only heat up the system above the limit, this will not only heat up this graphics card above the limits, but also make the system unstable. So it is very essential for us to make this graphics card clean and put it back in the rig so it can perform up to the mark. So what exactly you need to clean up this graphics card? So I do have few tools which I will show you. The first one is the small brush, which I will use to clean this graphics card in between the fans. The second one is the medium brush for to clean this graphics card. And besides this, I do also have the blower, which I will use for cleaning purpose of this graphics card. So first, what I will do first. Okay, so what I will do first, I will go to in the blades of these fans and just clean it up. You can see that how nicely it's going to just get the dust particle from the fan blades. You can see that how nicely this brush is cleaning the fan blades on the second as well. So one by one I will go to all graphics card and make it clean. So let me do that, and once I will finish, let's go to GTX 1050 as well. This has the much dust as compared to the other graphics card. And you can find behind this blade the dust is also so much deep inside it. And one more graphics card I do have, this one. In front of the door Now you can see that guys how nicely this graphics card get cleaned after running the board. This graphics card get cleaned, but if you look closely you will find that inside, the behind these blades dust is still there in the coolant panel. So what I will do, I will open this graphics card from the back and just remove this case, and after that I will clean it. Let me do that. Before going to open this front panel, let me warn you about something, that the screws which you have to open is this and this only. You don't need to touch the inside screws. You don't need to touch these screws, and if you're going to touch these screws you are going to void the warranty. So be caution about this. Don't touch these screws, only touch these screws which are holding this case. So let's go ahead and do that. So I finally opened these screws, and now what I have to do is that I have to remove this case. But before removing this case, I have to remove this fan plug. So I have just go and remove it out. Now you can see that I have just removed this fan case, okay, the front cover. Now see this coolant, you will find a lot of dust inside this. zoom down here. See, now it's cleaned up very nicely. You can see that. Now you can see that it is very nicely get cleaned from the inside and outside as well. So now we will put this case back on the graphics card. After cleaning up all the graphics card, now you can see how nicely it looks like. This graphics card get cleaned completely from inside and from outside, and now you can see that it is completely looking like a new graphics card. You can see the 1050 Ti as well, how much dust it was having earlier. Now it looks very new. This procedure not only can save you lots of money, but also gives you a nice performance throughout day and night. So I have just shown you how you can go ahead and clean this graphics card up and all that. Now I'm going to put this graphics card back into the rig, and once again I will make the system up and will show you. Hey guys, finally I have installed all the graphics card, GTX 1060, and this is Zotac 1050 Ti. This is the SMPS, and all the connection is made properly. Now we have to check this out whether it's going to work or not. All the PCI slot is installed properly and all the connection is made properly. So let's go ahead and start. Okay guys, so finally now we have to test this out. Let's go ahead and start. So I have power on the system. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So system has detected 5 graphics card. I have installed 5 graphics card on my system. 4 is GTX 1060 3GB and 1 is GTX 1050 Ti. So system is booting up. Let's see what is happening in the background in the command line. So finally it has detected all the graphics card, the 4 GTX 1060 3GB and 1 is GTX 1050 Ti. So our system is up and running fine. Let's start this. Okay, see, all is starting fine. Start mining 1.10. The initial balance was 2.57. It's 1.11. It's mining Dagger Hashmito and Lyra V2. Okay, finally it's 1.38. So guys, in this way you can not only get a stable mining rig and run all the graphics card proficiently, but also saves a lots of money if you take care of this periodically, or whenever you feel that your graphics card needs to get cleaned up by these dusty particles, and it will allow you to run your mining smoothly. So guys, thanks a lot for watching. Hope so that you may like this video. Please do let us know in case you have any kind of query and suggestion.